Do your rain dance, Kenya. If you can't, we can. Michael and Sons. Hey, you stopped your rain dance.
Huh?
You stopped your rain dance.
Oh, I didn't know it was going to be fun. I wasn't supposed to be fun.
You're still not doing your rain
All
dance.
right. I'll do it.
I had to ask for the rain dance 3 times. I'm going to post this on Facebook.
Go ahead.
Why aren't you doing your rain dance?
Because I'm recording my own way.
Kenya, do your rain dance.
Sister. I'm taking my sister.
Why aren't you doing your rain dance? Kenya, this is ridiculous. You come outside and don't even do your rain dance.
I was doing it.
Keep doing your rain dance. Why are you going inside and not doing your rain dance?